Okay guys, just a short review of the class that we have done. I don't know if it was lagging or not, some of you might have missed it. So we just went through what? Oxidation and reduction. Oxidation is the gain of oxygen in a substance. Reduction is the loss of oxygen in a substance. Let's see it with an example here. Copper oxide plus magnesium gives you magnesium oxide and copper. So as you can see, magnesium after the reaction becomes magnesium oxide. So magnesium is gaining oxygen and it is becoming magnesium oxide. That's why as it is gaining oxygen, we are saying that it is going through oxidation. Okay. Whereas copper oxide, it's losing oxygen and it becoming copper. As it's losing oxygen, that's why it becomes this process is reduction, because copper oxide is losing oxygen. Here it has oxygen, now it doesn't have oxygen. That's why this process, this reaction is reduction. Okay. Now we can just review the rusting process as well here. Rusting has what? Iron plus water plus oxygen gives you hydrated iron 3 oxide, the brown iron that you see. So for a rusting process to happen, you need two things, water and oxygen. Okay. And so this experiment that they showed, the third setup had an oil layer which prevented the oxygen from coming in contact with the iron nails. So they were trying to make sure that the iron nails were not getting any exposure to oxygen, and plus also the dissolved oxygen that was there was removed through boiling the water. Okay. Fourth setup had calcium chloride, which is called a desiccant. That means it removes the moisture, it removes the water. So when the water is removed, at those two instances where water and oxygen is removed, at those times, both of these instances, no rusting has occurred. And as we have seen, only the first and second setup had rusting, undergoes rusting, because here only on those two setups both had water and oxygen was present. Salt was used in the second setup as a catalyst, which means to fasten the rusting process. So out of the four, the second one would be the fastest, because salt was used to fasten the rusting process, and obviously first one also will undergo rusting, first and second. Thank you. Hope you guys understood.